my beloved cat fanatics, it's me again, Kathy, your Ilocana, Ilongga, Bisaya gal. Welcome back to my channel, and for today's video, I am with Mother Dear. I'm with my bed. And meron tayong special visitor. Ayun! Marley! Ayan. So, the whole family is here. We are gonna go to Red Rock Canyon. It's a hiking place and camping ground. I looked on their website and it says it features a 23 or one-way 13-mile scenic drive, and it has 26 hiking trails at saka may mga campgrounds sila. So today would be the perfect day to go on a hike, and ayan, balot na balot sila.
90 degrees.
The weather is 90. So medyo mainit-init. At saka ayan, ready kami. Ayan si Marley. Oh. Hi Marley! Wow yata. Yan guys. So mamasyal tayo doon. Tingnan natin kung anong nandun. They say na springtime is the best time to go there kasi nga nagbo-bloom na yung mga flowers. Pero kung may mga allergy, yari ka doon. Nag-ano ba kayo? Nag-anti-allergy pill. So, ayan, I think we'll be good. Tsaka meron kaming tubig. Ayan. So, let's explore Red Rock Canyon, and then I'll show you around kung anong nandun. So, stay tuned! Inside, Bev paid the entrance fee. It says on the board it's $15 for a regular vehicle, $10 for motorcycle, and $5 if you're riding a bicycle. Pero ngayon, dahil nga inflation, hindi na siya $15. They actually charge us $17 for one vehicle. Yun. Tapos Marley got a special treat. We all know hindi din naman niya kakainin, pero it's nice for them to have that as a drive-through treat for your fur babies. So ayun, andun siya, maladad man niya yung treat. So eto ngayon ang ating view. So our first stop is the Calico Hills 1. So I'm guessing there's Calico Hills 2. At ito yung view natin. This is our first stop and first hiking trail. So according to their website, there are 26 numbered hiking trails and campgrounds, but I don't think today, well, I don't know, na makikita natin lahat yung 26 na yon. So right now, this is the first one, and like I said, this is called the Calico Hills 1.
Sa baba. Ano?
Let's go. Try to go down.
Oh, napad.
Tara, baba tayo. Alam mo yung parang nakakalula na di mo maintindihan.
Okay.
Kasi masyadong surreal yung background natin. So parang tricky sa mata. Lalo na sa mga tulad natin na sira ang mata.
Let's go.
Dito lang tayo kay Mother.
Hindi, kaya niya yan. Oh. Suot ka madam. Malalim pala. Malalim pala din eh.
Diretso ka dyan.
Malalim pa. May daan yan eh. May tubig doon oh. I think may daan dyan sa... Sarap dito oh. Malamig.
Malamig? Malamig.
Takot si Malo. Dito ka, malamig. May init yan.
Malamig dito. Yan. Yun, so we went all the way down here from there. We thought that we had to go further down pero hindi na pala. Hanggang dito na lang may bato. But yung second na step niya is a little too far. Masyado na steep. And I don't even think we can climb back up.
Parang yung ano yan, yung movie.
Yung movie na
100 days or...
yung na ano siya doon?
Oo,
Na-trap siya?
naipit.
We don't
Naipit yung
want
kamay
that.
na.
It's morning.
I think dyan yung daan. Pababa.
Parang siyang we can kind of compare to the Valley of Fire when they have those beehive looking rock formation. Yan, kita mo dyan. Ibang iba yung view.
Unahin mo muna sila.
Go ahead, please.
Sa club mo muna. Muna na lang sana tayo.
Little baby. Ano siya? Game na game. Look at that. Wow! So guys, ano kasi dito, if you're really a good hiker, kailangan first of all, ready yung sapatos mo. Yung footwear mo is meant for hiking, lalo na pag ganito. Yung grip niya is talagang dapat maganda. Itong sapatos ko, hindi masyado, kaya medyo may dulas factor tayo. At the same time, dahil nga sira ang mata na ni Bisayang Ilocana, yung perception ko ng depth is hindi masyado maganda, kaya medyo ninervous ako. na ano ko, feeling ko masyadong malalim pero hindi pala. Kaya yun. But if you're fit and healthy, bagay kayo dito. Another rock formation. Parang concave. Really pwede. Really nice, yeah. Tapos, if you look there, meron pang iba na may mga butas-butas. Pero depende na sa inyo kung gaano ka daring kayong pumunta dun sa mga mas masukal. Guys, so earlier we were up there. Ito yung sinisilip-silip natin kanina. And kaya hindi tayo makababa is because of this one. Wala na siyang steps para bumaba. Kung gusto mo tumalon, you can. But kapag ganitong season or umuulan or winter time, nag-accumulate to ng tubig. But during summertime, natutuyo din naman siya. Lalo na pag tumatama na dito yung yung init. But for now, stagnant yung tubig. Kaya ganyan yung itsura.
Diyan umiinom yung mga
wild animals. Yan yung best place nila to drink water kasi talagang dry. Dito, wala kang mahahanap na source of water. So that's a good place for them. Tinitingnan ko na na-intimidate ako.
So, makiat.
Parang gusto mong i-dare yung sarili mo but you're scared of anything na makikita mo dyan, from bugs to snakes perhaps, I don't know, but it's pretty interesting. So let's go this way.
Kita ya?
Kita yan.
Alam mo.
Oh, look at this. This is nice. Maganda sana siya, kaso may nakita lang ako ng flaw. I don't know why there's a lot of people who love to leave a mark. Kung sino ka man, Lori, you're in for a federal offense. Hindi ka dapat nagwa-vandal dito. Hey, we're here. Oh, they're climbing. Pinahirapan pa ako. Pwede naman dumaan dito. Tingnan nyo.
That's the,
Ang hawak pala dito.
tinatawag nilang hindrance. Yan. Wala.
Halikan na natin ang ating dalawang family members na nandun sa taas. natapos ang ating gala sa Red Rock Canyon. And lobat na. Pagod na. Malalagkit na ang mga pagmumukha namin. At higit sa lahat, ay, gising pa pala. Kala ko natutulog na. Gising pa pala. Pero ano na siya, quiet na siya. Nalobat si Marley. So, yun, ibig sabihin, she had a blast. Nag-enjoy siya. Nag-enjoy din naman kami. We just went through the one hiking place, yung Calico Hills. Yung pinakauna talaga na makikita mo papasok or pagpasok mo doon sa Red Rock Canyon. And we just drove the whole time doon sa 13-mile drive. One way lang, and then paikot. Tapos palabas na kami. So we're on our way home. Ayun po. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Please don't forget to follow me on Facebook. It's Bisayang Ilocana. Together with my Instagram page, it's also Bisayang Ilocana. And yun po. Thank you so much for watching. And again, this has been Kathy, your Ilocana Ilongga Bisaya gal. Always saying, don't let anyone turn you away from your purpose and always live life for what it's worth. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!